Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox no longer supports 32-bit devices. First of all, tap on the Windows search bar. Then search here System Information. Now tap on System Information and check out the system type to make sure your system is at least 64-bit or more. After that, open the settings from the Windows search bar. Then tap on Update and Security from Settings. Now from Windows Update, make sure your Windows is updated to its latest version. After that, open up the web browser and search here Microsoft Store Roblox. Then download the Roblox from here. Also, open up the Task Manager and check if the Roblox is opened in the background. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.